for high Gyamfi news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot enkwa eramede bremo na ansana ensebni nyina bebano. So when you subscribe ya bomori ya se over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na when you be here na wo ensemwa ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi yenhwe eye ensemwa abeto yepono so inti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yenti.
Dr. Bawumia, I am very, very disappointed in you this morning. You don't deserve to be a leader in NPP. Very disappointed. You are not showing leadership. When you show, you can't be a leader. You need to have control over your subordinates. We a leader now. We a leader. We a leader. Obedience munu di ashaw when me awano because enya wona wo kan say na no so me de mamumfo obi ho asem. You are not a leader. Prove that you are a leader. Enti the president mesha won sa na abronye mu ene ne nam ho abronye mu na be decide ama yenka obi asem omu obi a obi obedi natem afidie waka akoko kasetia Dr. Anani because okoka say Abronye yewra Akufo okoka top down approach no ebe ha adwinti. What did you attempt from akansem hunu na akire no Abronye de enim say our mental problem dada because obi a only mental problem onye de oye no na NPP agu me catch us NPP nya kono bim because we were Abronye mu as a regional chairman na de obeka bia nya de ade asundie ba obi aka bibia obeka kansem hunu because as now Abronye, who is Abronye or Abronye ye hwan Abronye ye hwan o ye bema ben kwanti a NPP mu no enti memma ni NPP mu a Abronye timi kansem hunu no obi a he no ni asoso ne so ni ahye.
Who do you think you are? Who ponder? Dr. William, who are you?
Sebi asofofo a omodima party no sunsumu. It's about to to yen frozen. Me say enye nso.
Okay. Ohun say
sunsumu no ma ye adwuma.
Okay.
Obi betin ma ye adwuma ntimi nyama but dem hu na make.
Yeah.
Since spiritually we lost the elections. If it's a sebi asofofo bi na so mo so ejina ma ye. Sabi ye maame mu bia omo kom na so bompaye ye papa mu kom na so bompaye ma party omo te dai e se de bufu ede e wo
na NPP agu me catch us NPP nya akono biem Abronye ye hwan oye bema ben kwanti a NPP mu no enti memma ni NPP mu a Abronye timi kansem nu no bia he no ni asoso ne so ni ahye na me hu NPP supported Bawumia Dr. Bawumia nkrofo a wo mu defend Abronye nkwasiase na okekan ye no.
So in the first place, we said this letter dated June 30th, 2025.
Yes.
NPP for na kasa netroye. New Patriotic Party disassociates itself from the comments made by Bono Regional Chairman against Archbishop Duncan Williams on his what? Bawumia TV. So in the first place, for this letter to come from the NPP meeting, whatever Abronye is doing no emfakwamu enye papa ogu party na ni mase.
Yes.
Mama call asare subscription no the nipa outro ye na yehunu no. Yes, fakwa asare o mempese meka signed Justin Kodia Frepon, General Secretary. This means this letter is what? Authentic, right?
Yes.
So this is enough. But when you tell me Frank Adana dia me ya dance in ahene. And the same Abronye Kurano we did Justin Frimpong could be an attempt. Yes. Bebre ama yasivin could be a make statement to say party no anti-mien take any action against Abronye na ni omo ne animguasie ne nsema okeka or they say party na ono akasa be resign. But that one there I cannot authenticate it. Okay. Whether say no correct, no correct. But that has been in the media. Okay. And news are dance here, me himself vividly, you know. I don't want to talk. Yeah. But I'm just supporting the evidence. Now, Mama another evidence.
Okay.
in politics, religion play a very critical role.
Okay.
Okay, Ghana, there were 3 major religions: Christian, Islamic, and then the traditional. The Christians are the major ones, and you can see clearly say Abronye attacks is on the Christian religion, which is the major religion who determines election in Ghana, whether we like it or not.
Yes.
It is for Abronye to attack a religion. It means that he is collapsing the party.
Yes.
It is a pertinent taking any disciplinary measure. And as a young suspended Abronye, it means yes, it's a cramino and pokron for now. Not for no and cramino.
Yes.
And I say, Penina would not feel mamma Frauen and Cano. It is a NPP party, no. So, if you say no one wants to saw Abronye Swa, as I said, and your mom was here, or do you good the Christian religion bodies in Penifono, especially Duncan Williams, there were a soft Owusu Bempa, and the Akeka. They should do something based on this.
Yes.
So, producer, a video of attack here, Abronye and the Taki Duncan Williams, Ama Duncan Williams, so dear before. Ebekasai and nina dia dance person so NPP ni na wutimi a kai hu say wo ya Abronye yodo back o collapse party no producer yanko.
Who do you think you are? Who point down? Duncan William, who are you? Like as a beginner, how long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered?
You probably headed the Christian community and nipa unqualified. All pastors, every cry organ have qualified, but Duncan William doesn't qualify. It's a fact.
Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life. Masanta Kunda Salan within 72 hours. Dula Isala. Among Sulum, Divalan, Kihan Sulahana, Wahasalim, Bikatum, interpreted.
Woman is so much run with Cromano. Media they should count me out to say Duncan Williams means running net, means run or china.
Then you will know the difference. You know the difference, that's all I'm saying. Let their differences depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage. Let their honors turn into dishonor, and let their favors turn into disfavor. Yea, let their access turn into scandal. Masalan, Kusan, Feli, Atunda, Kamsulan. Let the table that favors them become a snare unto them. Let their defenses depart. Let them be disinherited by another, and let another take their office. Let them err at unawares. Let them err at unawares.
Meaning by Baptist Church for Unquanquacon because I'm on Yammy. Meaning Pentecost for Unquanquacon because Pentecost for Yammy. Meaning you are for Unquanquacon because you are for Yammy. I am talking about Duncan Williams. As in person say, Nene ya all your cromano. And Yama Bonnie, as you say, Catrino, said the Biano, Ninyami Dumano, or the Nyamia Katana Nino Disika, or Disikati, and Yama phone.
Don't ask me who has offended him. Nobody has offended me. I've just been watching over the years. And I go on the internet, social media, people lie.
But the Bible tells you, say. Saa for 25 now do amokoya o kaso other churches in the omo small enti omo kaso Ghana ha obi antie but omo no tie ne omo ka na omo so dia ma omo church members no pagya Bible kire wiem na ka kire Nyankopon say after the meeting no one massa for no $10,000 ya na pagya Bible for kire wiem.
They lie. Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahamadu to go another term. You think I'm a kid?
Sir, Matibu. Na ebia ebeye obitimuna. Producer, mame another video. Edia dance say religion and spirituality plays a critical role from Justin Friponkodia.
Okay. And then me for videos. Say be asofo fo a omodima party no sunsumu. If say about to e koto yen fozi me say enya ni so.
Okay. Ohun say
sunsumu no ma ye adwuma.
Okay.
Obi betin ma ye adwuma ntimi nyama but dem hu na make.
Yeah.
Say spiritually we lost the elections. If say be asofo fo bia na so mo so igina ma ye. Say be ye ma me mu bia omo come na so bompaye ye papa mo come na so bompaye ma party omo te dai e se de bufu e de e wo baba e se foxy enko ba se 16 regions ase NPP for efa fon frefro mo ho sa abane enkoto
gasem
e se intimacy e se den na ye koto aba Saturday it's time for dodo na so mo koto aba no Oko Norfa the same, Oba Buna the same, Ahafu same, Ashanti same, Western region, baby almost one monko twabano. And you tell me say when you soon
BBC.
If you say Abia asquaf for so monko to cry, okay, asquaf for the some monko to Abia constituency, asquaf for monto ampondo moto, or Abia domi Kwabena for two. But for your stronghold. Esi de koba se ebia Sunyani West Sunyani East domi Kwabena itimidi nkuku osa
bia
conference bi ha yendi nkuku da ebitimisi enti no ma bi koso a ankoyi na edu sa mre ya se be so bi eso igina
se obi ati ase ese jare be family lawyer Come here presentation no here. Question here because I am using their own words from the General Secretary, which is from the party itself. Even 2024 election a year kwa. Even Obia cameras in the name say Abronye. Na one chisofu ansi ho when you na tempo na me potose
eneya ye dia
eneya Abronye atwe camera si ho edidi Duncan Williams amtem ye na say when it comes to Christianity in Ghana here Duncan Williams play a very critical role among for respecting so attacking Duncan Williams is attacking Christianity. Yeah NPP for ya ho bondada na yesansu to tell them say we dey na dey check
we you from abone
na kwa mama security in the 2024 election President Akufo Addo and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omo kudwane toa Archbishop Duncan Williams say only Christians and kasa na Christians and toa ba ma Dr. Bawumia sikapudu obi kumu Mumisa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na nado dan Akufo Addo say $800 million no aye de ma Duncan Williams say yemfa nkoma obi no hey and then Duncan Williams also ye promfo no ntuni Duncan Williams etinase as a man of God and no share of bompaye and no hunu say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ye fi say oye kronkron no asa de woni trim ni adwemo ne bone no
echekuro
and moreover for you to bring $800 million say me fan konkoma obi na nipa no omra me support for election adni be the dem keke and Duncan Williams de sika na omoni mani na san so come on back say ya me nipa onye saa
say hono tiny fever
tiny free back me say makana na dan kwa Akufo Addo Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia me say $800 million no mo dia mo come Duncan Williams na mo so fanye there they should come out to explain before I come out to lock them down.
What your papa? Showdown.
You give them the showdown.
Yes.
Enti na kuya sa oteno ne hwanyin nti Owusu absolutely no they think said the influence is Duncan Williams and as a dia yam finish the prayer in this place so that the Christian community will see him as evil so that they will not trust him again.
Okay. And I'm the name you
Abronye and Bawumia na Abronye pa o yes I
don't Bawumia so cry na
na go say me can be catch them say Bawumia bo Abronye pa o ye de o ye no later na ko ba hu say no e against Dr. Bawumia na di Dr. Bawumia catch Abronye say onya de o ye no Abronye catch say onya na nya o che na wa bo ne pa ndi o ye ti no ba bo te be ka say babo fa no time e be time me say ma brabo e be tu e be ti me say ma brabo It is a we NPP in a Utinia. This is clear evidence. Abronye or person who collapse pertino, who go pertino, and a near ma is against the pertia, M1 pertino, to gain power 2028. And another Ghanaian,
okay.
See a share NPP, your stronghold, a Ashanti region.
Yes.
The heart of NPP, a youth.
Yes.
Abronye Kasetia Dr. Richard Annan, which the Ashanti Youth, Richard Annan is from Ashanti region, and the Ashanti Youth, Asanswa Babontain, Abe Condemo, and one NPP.
Hey!
Producer Falatenatoso. Well, press statement, 6 November 2025. Aya, that is the Ashanti Youth Association, condemns unprovoked and uncalled attacks by Kwame Bafo Abronye on Dr. Richard Annan. The Ashanti Youth Association has observed with deep disappointment and indignation the cruel, disrespectful, and reckless utterances made by the Bono Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party NPP, Kwame Bafo Abronye, on his television, the evidence yesterday, where he launched an unwarranted verbal attack on the esteemed patron of Aya, Honorable Richard Annan, Honorable Richard Winifred Annan. So meaning Honorable Richard Annan is a member of the Aya Ashanti Youth Association. Now, Dr. Annan is a distinguished statesman, a former minister of state, and a reverend figure within the Asante man and the political history of the Fourth Republic. His record of service, humility, and then commitment to the national development is well recognized. For Abronye to single him out for vile insult is not only unfortunate, but it also reflects a worrying culture of political indiscipline and disrespect that must be condemned. Right? That must be what? Condemned. So what is the NPP doing? You are stronghold. Even Asembia Maya attack the stronghold no crowd, then you was stronghold. Now and let the youth is rising against the indiscipline making by Abronye DC. So if you're a party and you sit aloof without taking any disciplinary action, without suspending Abronye, you are indeed supporting the indiscipline out of Abronye, and the party is going down. The party is not going to opposition, rather, but it is going to collapse like the CPP, and it will not resurrect it. I say the Ashanti region will not tolerate Abronye's presence, manner of conduct, or brand of divisive politics within our political and cultural space. The youth of Asante man are committed to promoting politics of respect, ideas, and progress, non-foul and then marked.
Not foul-mouthed tactics.
Yes. I strongly cautions all presidential aspirants, parliamentary figures, and national or regional figures of the NPP or any political organization that Abronye himself should not be brought as a part of any campaign interact to the Ashanti region. The region has its pride, cultural values, and deep respect for leadership. Abronye's conduct is inconsistent with these values and will not be entertained. It is Abronye that should do campaign now or there. Can you go to Ashanti region and campaign?
No.
So suspend him for the Ashanti Youth to see, say, Mameko suspension, producer, family suspension. They said a whole lot. Suspension, I see about last second page, you know. Yes, second page. You know. Yeah, so you can see the details of the sign. Dr. Kennedy, General Secretary, the telephone number near. Joseph Oponbuadi, Vice President, the telephone number near. You can take the number and call to find out whether it is fake or not. 6 November 2025.
Yes.
So what is the party doing? So the party must, as a matter of fact, agency, suspend Abronye DC. So I can say that if I am presenting, based on these evidences, I will conclude to say that if the party is very serious for power 2028, if the party want unity, if the party want discipline and respect, it must be shown that indeed the party doesn't condone this kind of behavior, because Abronye is nobody. It is the NPP that made him Abronye.
Yes.
Look at his previous pictures. Who is Abronye? And now Abronye is taking over, talking trash because of say Mahamadu Bawumia because ukura na yinu say. Na yinu. And now America.
Yes.
Also the over pass mama.
Hey, na some apele say susili.
That we there who say we know a private part. Ball. So anyone as you say the agro kakra. I say Messi. Eto da kra na ladies no mo so di agro kakra na on the DMP form here no mo di agro.
It is said they have make us say Abronye no to me no.
Hey. We apart from say a suffer for stronghold. Ebuafu with the way Abronye is doing, then other media personalities,
yes,
and then the public, are not happy. It is the media. If you win election, it is the media. If the media is against you, like Jantua. Jantua is not my favorite journalist, though at times he's biased, at times he speaks the truth, so he's not my favorite. But me, I'm somebody, even say me town, puna we are there na I'll say it. We are there. If you look at the rate at Kojo Kyeremanteng responding to Abronye, and to the extent they said they are going to campaign against NPP because of what? Abronye. And the way they are going to campaign is evidence-based. What did Duncan Williams attempt? What did Christopher attempt?
Yes.
Into a Christo near. Men got to Waba
NPP. Come on back, Christopher Muyamoto.
Go. And moreover,
you also come in some way of compare with that plenty of no kind.
Some and it's also be a moko. So what you say?
Yes.
And apart from that, producer and some Jantua a kind. Ma aprefuone manyansafo a wotie me entie.
Okay.
Na MPP disciplinary committee for no. If they listen to this and they will
Abronye. Ogu anima ase. Wama wo ani munyama kofom. Ira Dr. Bawumia. Abronye ama wo ani munyam akofom. Na party na enya akono no. Abronye say sen and I was say wo campaign. Minyi ni say what say we leader. Dr. Bawumia. Papa minyi ni say what say we leader. I don't think say ubetimi lead Ghana. Because unshow leadership. Ewo party, especially one now wo mu didi nkrofo atem because of you. Minim say won kan kiro bi say onko didi atem. Nanso panyi a wotena fie ama yaguso ewe nan kan wo ka ho bi. Sa Abronye timi didi atem ko didi kofo atem, edidi Dr. Richard Anani atem, edidi obi atem because of wuwuntia. Then you are not a leader, Dr. Bawumia. You don't qualify to lead NPP. I am highly disappointed in you. Dr. Bawumia, I am very, very disappointed in you this morning. You don't deserve to be a leader in NPP. Very disappointed. You are not showing leadership. When you show, you can't be a leader. You need to have control over your subordinates. We a leader now. We a leader. We a leader. Obi din se hunu di ahyew when me awano because enya wona wo kan say na no so me de mamumfo obi ho asem. You are not a leader. Prove that you are a leader. Enti the president me show won sa na abronye mu ene ne nam ho abronye mu na be decide ama wo yenka obi asem omu obi a obi obedi natem afide waka akoko kasetia Dr. Annan because okoka say Abronye yewra Akufo okoka top down approach no be ha adwinti. What did you attempt from akansem hunu na akire Abronye de enim say or mental problem dada because obi a only mental problem onye de oye no na MPP agu me catch us MPP nya kono biem because who Abronye mu as a regional chairman na de obeka bia nya de ade asundie ba obi aka bibia obeka kansem hunu because as now Abronye, who is Abronye or Abronye ye hwan Abronye ye hwan oye bema ben kwanti a MPP mu no enti memma ni MPP mu a Abronye timi kansem hunu no obi a he no ni asoso ne so ni ahye na me who MPP supported Bawumia, Dr. Bawumia Nkrofo a wo mu defend Abronye nkosese na okekaye no. This stupid acts, and you guys are supporting him. Then you drew her. Then on Maya when you break 2020 Ghana for Monche, these are the reasons why I say MPP Nyen Nkrofo was say ye di abamu 2028. We MPP ni ayanchi o maso monchi o maso sa because o munsu ade party JFK ko kasa so obi amu no obi akasa se obi amu obi a wo party MPP party mu. Dr. Bawumia, you are not a leader. You are not a leader. You are not convincing me say the 2 minimum abeti me aye. I am highly disappointed in you. That day we make sure expecting you say and kabeti me aka wo buy na be you say me dey me ni obi ani asem me dey me ni obi asem entimamu nsho obi. You are not a leader. Unye leader. Dr. Bawumia, you are not a leader. Prove us wrong. The Nkofo kasa unye decisive no afina me yati ase. The Nkofo kan ye say unye obi a utimi do na gina from uyi o ane nya o ane no me yaje atum. Everybody obia obe disagree with Dr. Bawumia's camp, the people would insult him. Obia obeka say oh Dr. Bawumia say pe me a dinatem na ni Nkrofo be dinatem. And you a leader who timinka and you a president now Abronye day communication one and answer me now what cancel munusa ye and Kofu won't change and I won't mean discipline. When you a leader, it has to be an aura. So when you drew baby, who's a difference room? One chair so a leader. This is not how a leader must be.
Nanapia. Oh, you are. Yeah. Hey.
Do I can
Yes. It is we are NPP ni na ote as a disciplinary committee person. Now we presented these evidences at the 2 man. You not ask any further question.
No.
There are many evidences, but even this is just a few.
Yeah.
Now, Bawumia Agyarko will present a very solid evidences, including the media bias. Now, after the disciplinary meeting, the Nase yentimi and suspended Abronye. Now, I say ampa. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia influence no and I juma. Even we na kene kwan say ekokudru even the party. Esenka Dr. Bawumia na kasa as the vice president, former vice president. Also pay a presidential ambition. Na Abronye ne kasa ma, you have to suspend him from your even campaign. For people to see say ampa, you are very disciplined. Said the honorable Kennedy Agyapong the year elected.
Yes.
Said the honorable Kennedy Agyapong the year Kweku Annan.
Yes.
Even upon what Kweku Annan did, Kennedy Agyapong punish you more. Upon what elected did, Kennedy Agyapong punish you more. Even Ghanaians no put just say, oh, there be honorable way the facho. But can't say no.
And look for Kweku get to say you.
Get to say. I say where the I could do.
Hey.
Where do you be?
Akufo Addo share.
Akufo Addo share. What they want him Akufo? Kwanya Abronye fast with dinner tem. Me no be me drop the video.
Okay.
Na my experience chiro.
Okay.
Na Abronye osi wani de Akufo Atta. Na Chama Buti e na no ye mwanwa. The Chama Buti who came out to defend the say enya no kure no na ho ye mwanwa. Chama Buti. On na ye the acting chairman. Na ho ye mwanwa pa. NPP.
Hey, and the
yeah, one never be a wire and Catasosa.
And I said, suspended.
Oh, that's a year. And my business say year. So one suspended one, you better. So when you know why your mother and say, Chrono, boy, you know, or when you're share, you depart to be good. But in Yama party news. This evidence is before you are. We lose it, said Darby, and the one says suspend the Abronye.
So far, also comment session.
Yes, far. Evidence, right?
Yes, because now, Mr. Madonna, I didn't make Ashanti Youth class. I then almost answer with evidence view. Now, no more come, but yet just if you could be on a toilet anybody.
I will say one thing is that, say, what they are saying court because there's this parent committee, you know, it's more or less like judges making judgment.
Okay.
They know, judge Bia, they know, but you have to present the evidence.
Okay.
And Tina, Oko court. Nya judge na beka wa asem ama eye wo na beka wa asem enti na bia ba in reality no nipa no odibem but when hu na asem ka obedi for
okay Matthias so ba person na say we NPP mu
yeah
NPP penny for no Matthias o Matthias say ku na ngesa enti ba say Abronye so ye NPP ni sakuta position enti ba say judge for bi ewo bia area ba ko na di papa ko bi efe kwala sabe ewo ho na wo bia ko report agade for ni mo evidence a omo mfra no
eno so wo but we see say nipa ye nipa boni ama because they work in NPP disciplinary committee no they don't need someone
yes
to come and tell them
yes
because brad Abronye didi Archbishop Dakawila Zatem Justin Fripong could be from the party party man come and the letter by it without anybody pressing the button.
Yes.
So it means they have seen whatever is going on.
Yes.
So it doesn't need anybody to press the button for you or to bring an evidence to show say Abronye a good party no. So what you say? Yeah. Because the evidence is clear. Obia on social media. On party but when or so to also on the social media.
Yeah.
But let's give them benefit of doubt.
Yeah.
Now enquire say bia omotanya Abronye. Now you presented the evidence, no. But you presented evidence, no, as I've done it. Now say, or and take any proper measure, then we see where they are coming from and the reason why or should they book in your go or soon to say here or
and I did about what to me, ye Jojo Logana, and get back on the Chama to me, what the media platform, Emma Abronye, it's not to be a compare what them so many times. Tichama to me, you put a chia or come, you chia or come, and Mr. Prince on our other. Now, we don't no, Papa to a grand hour. But I have to you bread because you would make I can't for you. It is a small boy waiting to be a compare what that's not what being. Yeah, just the people could get your father time. But I can't say your letter. We now be a memory. We see Nanapia. There is another letter NPP for the Troya to even condemn Chamawu to many Abronye. Once Abronye Kruyaka said, obey some of the NPP delegates your most supportable media free Abon. Yes.
And Okrano a perfect ground to suspend Abronye.
Yes.
Because the delegate formation is based on the principle, the rule of law, and a democratic election. So you cannot sit there as a born original chairman to take someone's name because the person doesn't support you. I can't say.
About some of the position is that.
Obi no want to say ogu abono fo ani ma se. Me ya bono ni ya na ma me fere kura.
That's a was some call for you.
Well, man ye kaseti o dia me sra. Bibi na ye bibi.
Na do to be good. It's also and I was about
Sana na do dia me take na do no. Me there are many action for their my people. I know action for who are very, especially Mr. Danso with Germany.
Okay. He's
my bravo. Mr. Danso me tell catch me sort of frame. Mr. Danso. Rather Ajinkwa onum brimu.
Action Kwanana.
Aha. Mia kasame braba ko Mr. Nana Agyapong or US.
Okay.
And also so Agyapong, I know a lot. They are very good people, kind-hearted. But I question Anado, and not Wako can become more. Am I a watching? Aha, but Agyapong a Nanado. Nanado Achim na ye mafia.
Oh, we can say Fatima say Achim mafia.
No. Nanado they are no more per se, but when it comes to the general Achim, they are not like that.
Yes.
Frankly speaking, I can't because there are many Achim people that I know who are very good, kind-hearted. They think about human beings.
Achim na kwa yo mu e for kra.
Aha, nti Nanado they are no yet try na separate no.
Yeah. Nanado fe Boakwa.
Aha. Nti Boakwa kura ni fie because Nanado na nkasa kura no. Ni fie na busuanfo no kura no. So most of them are not in agreement with their oil.
Yes.
Because I know what I'm talking about. Nanado na nkasa na busuanfo no. Some of them are not happy because we good money mass.
Yeah.
So what they are saying. Into the what they Nanado them I'm referring to mama no yi ka. Yes. I produce Abronye pictures in your eyes and say, I saw a punchy on your punchy with the other talk on a bingo. Produce a bingo. Oh, okay, they know.
Everyone produce a share.
Well, the members of producers are bringing her down for no. Okay, that's down. I produce an Abronye when they are back on Pratt and most on your way, they are the catch of shares up at San Fatu. That's and they were. Okay, they're FBM and Farman. You better share. Nanabia, even for that letter, letters now you too.
Yes.
So it means that, and Cameroon to me cracker said, Omo IF to favor Bawumia. That statement alone is a very perfect grounds to suspend them from the party because they are collapsing the party and they are not using the democratic principle. I thought they party. So what you saying?
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.